meteorologist Nikki-Dee.
The rain has finally ended across a lot of the southern states. Now they're dealing with potential snow in a handful of areas that you don't typically see it. Where you are seeing, though, are a lot of locations still under flood warnings. Where the squiggly lines are, that's typically around a body of water. We are seeing some of that in our own backyard, even though that rain is beginning to taper off. Still keeping a close eye with that flood watch along I-81. And then we do have that flood warning down near Danville if you are going to be doing some traveling, as well as around Emporia. But like Kristen's been telling you, we've got standing water in Hanover, Henrico, down in Chesterfield. I mean, this is really scattered about even into the northern neck and middle peninsula. So make sure you do stay tuned for her full traffic alert. We've got one little band making its way just on the east side of Richmond that's pushing closer over to West Point. Had a little lightning earlier on. Now seeing that weakening quite a bit. Charles City seeing some light rain showers, as well as Dinwiddie and Petersburg. The rain isn't going to be with us for long today. You're actually going to see some sunshine shortly. And you're also going to notice those winds kicking it up a notch. Winds currently are coming in out of our southeast around 15 to even 20 miles per hour. I look for these winds to take an uptick throughout the day. That's why we have a wind advisory in play until 4 o'clock for majority of central Virginia. Just food for thought. We had a lot of rain yesterday, overnight, and now we're going to have these winds. Our ground is saturated. We potentially could be dealing with some trees toppling over, even potential power outages. So keep that in mind as you're headed out today, because I do look for these gusts to get into the 40s as we go throughout our morning. So those high profile vehicles, you want to be careful, especially on the bridges and overpasses where you don't have the protection of the trees on either side. As you go into 3 o'clock, we're still going to have those gusty winds now out of our west, gusting around 30 to 35 miles per hour, and we'll still stay breezy this evening, but nothing too significant as far as those winds are concerned. 59 degrees right now. Winds are out of our south at 8. As we head throughout the day, temperatures will slowly decrease. We're going to head back into the low 50s, and then overnight with clear skies in place, your winds becoming light. We're back around freezing. Yeah, it's no longer going to feel like spring when you wake up tomorrow morning. I do like to see a few extra bands moving in as we head around rush hour, and all that will clear out, and you're going to see some sunshine as we go throughout today. Tomorrow and Sunday, a lot of people going, are we going to see snow? You could see a flurry. It's not going to do a lot for us. The moisture content is just really not there. Plus, it's warm. We've got 60s back in place Monday as well as Tuesday with some rain chances and staying above average even as we go into midweek. Reba?